So today we got a new refrigerator, and you know how when you get a new refrigerator, it's covered in plastic film, and some of the plastic film is stuck under the door handle here on the refrigerator. So I'm going to show you how to remove that plastic film, and it's not that hard, and this way you won't scratch up your finish on your refrigerator by using a razor blade or a knife. And it's pretty easy. So see right here, there's a hole, and there's one down at the bottom of the door as well. Inside here is an Allen set screw, and that set screw is pushed into a groove in there and holds your handle on. So what we're going to do is we're going to take an Allen key like this. This one just happens to be a 1/8 size. Yours could be different, but when you choose the Allen key for the set screw, make sure it fits in there snug as can be, and that you push it in all the way when you're going to loosen or tighten. And you can see this one is snug as can be. So what we're going to do is, like I said, we're going to put the Allen key into the set screw, and we're going to turn counterclockwise, and we're going to loosen that set screw. And you can see I can grab that plastic film and it still doesn't come loose. So now I'm going to go to the set screw on the bottom of the door handle here. Make sure it's pushed in all the way, because you don't want to strip the head of the Allen screw or the set screw, because then you'll never get it loose or tight again. So just turn clockwise like that. And there's still some plastic in behind this one. And you can see the handle came off at the bottom. And now we're going to loosen this a few more threads. And there we go. We'll take the handle right off. See how the plastic is wrapped around this post here? So we're going to remove it like that. The one that was at the bottom post is gone. We're going to pull this back now because the handle's out of the way. Get that plastic film out of the way. So what this set screw does is it goes in here. This post here is kind of beveled, so the set screw will sit in behind here like this, and when you snug it up, that's what keeps your handle on tight. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to place our handle back on the refrigerator like this, and we're going to take our Allen key, put it inside that set screw, push on your door handle against the fridge, and we'll snug it up, but not completely, but just slightly. We'll do the same here on the bottom. Put our Allen key in there, push snug, like push this way towards the fridge. And we'll snug up that set screw. Now you don't want to over tighten this because you'll break the set screw or strip it. So just snug it up like that. Don't go crazy. Come back up to the top one here. And that's probably snug enough. I'll check it. There we go. You can see the door handle's on good and tight now. Now I can finish removing the plastic film. Now if you have plastic on the bottom one here as well, like under your handle, it looks like the plastic film is actually going around the handle, so we're good on this fridge. But if you do, the set screw will be underneath on both sides of this handle. And you just do the same thing. Put your Allen key into the hole here and find the set screw, push it in tight so it doesn't strip. Loosen it, both sides, remove your plastic, and you're good. And as a bonus tip, when you buy a new refrigerator and the movers bring it into your home and they deliver it, put it in place. One thing you should not do is plug in your refrigerator right away and turn it on. Give it at least 3 hours to settle. All that refrigerant in the back, it has been moving around and stuff. It needs to settle, and at least wait 3 hours, like I said, to turn it on. If you don't, they say that you may only get a few months out of your fridge that won't last long. And you don't want that happening after spending a whole bunch of money on your refrigerator. If this video helped you, hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Come back for more content. We have a ton of content on this channel on budget home repair and just about anything that has to do with owning a home. I want to thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.